Firmware updates enhance your Lenovo docking station's performance, fix bugs like audio dropouts or display issues, add new features such as supporting higher resolution displays, and patch security vulnerabilities that could be exploited. Lenovo releases updates regularly, especially for models still under warranty. It's crucial to update when you experience connectivity problems, performance issues, or when Lenovo releases a new firmware version addressing critical vulnerabilities. Staying up to date ensures optimal performance and security. First, identify your dock model by checking the label on the docking station. Download Lenovo Vantage from the Microsoft Store or visit Lenovo's support website at support.lenovo.com to download the firmware update utility directly. Connect your dock to your laptop via USB-C. Ensure your laptop is plugged into a power source. Close any unnecessary applications. In Lenovo Vantage, navigate to Device, Docking Station, and check for updates. For manual updates, run the downloaded.exe file as administrator. Follow the on-screen prompts and do not disconnect the dock during the 5 to 10 minute process. After updating, restart your laptop and dock. Verify the update in Lenovo Vantage. If problems occur, consult Lenovo's support forums.